Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a gaming peripheral that can be used with your PC. I'm currently trying to do some gaming right now. I will be trying a Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. It's the Thrustmaster TCA Officer Pack Airbus Edition. It comes with the joystick and the throttle. Gonna start opening it up. There's no seal that needs to be broken. Let's see. And this is the joystick and USB-C, extra peripherals maybe to mount. I believe these are extra replacement buttons. Another replacement button. And the quadrant. It looks very sturdy, and extra buttons here and modes and triggers and an on and off switch. Anyway, I can't wait to try this on my new game on Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. And this is the unboxing of the Thrustmaster TCA Officer Pack Airbus Edition for Windows. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you. If you could click like and subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye.